Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau announced his resignation amidst mounting unpopularity within his Liberal Party, but confirmed he will remain Prime Minister until a new leader is chosen ahead of this year's general elections.
Over the holidays, I've also had a chance to reflect and have had long talks with my family about our future. Throughout the course of my career, any success I have personally achieved has been because of their support and with their encouragement. So last night over dinner, I told my kids about the decision that I'm sharing with you today. I intend to resign as party leader, as Prime Minister, after the party selects its next leader through a robust, nationwide, competitive process. Last night, I asked the President of the Liberal Party to begin that process. This country deserves a real choice in the next election, and it has become clear to me that if I'm having to fight internal battles, I cannot be the best option in that election.
Meanwhile, in a bold and controversial move, U.S. President-elect Donald Trump has renewed his offer to make Canada the 51st state of the United States, following the resignation of Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau on January 6. Hours after the resignation, Donald Trump took to Truth Social, reiterating his proposal to merge Canada with the US, claiming it would eliminate trade deficits, lower taxes, and provide total security for external threats. While Donald Trump's offer was met with silence from Canadian officials, his rhetoric included threats of imposing 25% tariffs on Canadian imports if action isn't taken to stop the flow of illicit drugs and illegal migrants across the border. This isn't the first time Trump has floated this idea. He reportedly mentioned it after his November 5 election victory during a meeting at Mar-a-Lago, humorously referring to Trudeau as the governor of the great state of Canada. However, it's worth noting that Trump is leveraging economic grievances and security concerns to appeal his base. As the world watches this unusual development, it remains to be seen how Canadian leadership and citizens will respond, especially with general elections looming around. For more such latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.